In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a thumbs up emoji in Outlook. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure you can seamlessly add emojis to your emails. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click. You'll now be greeted by the Sign In page where you need to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and password. Once you've done that, click on the Next button to proceed. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look towards the top left corner of the page where you'll spot a button to create a new email. Click on that, and a fresh blank email template will open up for you. With the email template open, direct your attention to the Message tab. On the right-hand side, you'll notice three small dots stacked vertically. This icon often houses more options, so go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Emoji option. By doing this, you'll see the emoji panel pop up, offering a fun range of characters to choose from. Now, we're on the hunt for a specific emoji, the thumbs up. Navigate to the People section within this emoji panel. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find various hand gestures and symbols. Slowly scroll until you come across the thumbs up emoji. Once you do, simply click it and voila, it'll appear in the body of your email, adding a nice, friendly touch to your message. For those of you who prefer to explore, there's an alternative way to access the same emoji panel. If you're in the midst of writing your email, look up to the top menu bar and locate the Insert tab. Give it a click and, from the available options, select Emoji. This will bring up the exact same emoji panel we visited before, providing another opportunity to easily locate and use the thumbs up emoji. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can add a personal and expressive element to your emails in Outlook using the thumbs up emoji. Remember, emojis can sometimes convey more than words can, adding that perfect touch of warmth and friendliness to your messages. So feel free to experiment and insert emojis whenever you think they'll brighten someone's day or add the right tone to your communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an emoji inserting pro in Outlook. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.